if you want to become a member of the HubCityDAO, you can join the project on Juicebox by contributing your ETH in exchange of the governance tokens of the DAO called the Hub token. So to start, you will have to go to juicebox.money. Let me go to the root of the website. So this is Juicebox. This is the URL. And once you're there, you can go to the project section and you can search for HubCityDAO. And there you have it. You click there and this is the project. So to show you how to contribute ETH in exchange for Hub token and become part of the DAO, I'm gonna jump to the Rinkeby test network to show you how it works with using fake Ether. So here is the exact same information, the exact same UI. It's just now I'm using the Rinkeby network using fake Ether, but the process is the same. So you will need to have a MetaMask wallet connected. In this case, I have this one connected here. I've used this wallet before, so I already have some tokens of my own. I can show you on my MetaMask. You can see that in this account, I already have 200,000 Hub. This is because I donated before 0.2 ETH. And on Juicebox, for any 1 ETH that is contributed to the project, 1 million Hub tokens are minted and sent to the contributor. So let's say that I want to donate another 0.1, let's say Ether from my account. So you can see that in exchange for that 0.1 Ether, I'm gonna get in return 100,000 Hub tokens. So I'm gonna click contribute. I get the disclaimer from Juicebox that this is a fairly new project, so you need to be aware of the risks. You click I understand. Then you get the confirmation of how much ETH you're gonna pay, what is the market value of that ETH, and the Hub tokens you get back, what is the address of the Hub token. And in here you can put a message for anyone to see when you make a donation. For example, I can say supporting the development of smart cities in Africa. You can also add an image if you want. And this checkbox is if you want to receive the Hub token as an ERC20 token on your wallet, or if you want to have the Juicebox smart contracts just to track how many Hub tokens are reserved for you for the future so you can claim later. If you want to use the Hub token in the future for voting as part of the DAO, you will need to actually have the ERC20 token. So the difference between checking and not checking this is also the cost of the transaction. So by checking this checkbox, you're gonna have to pay a little higher fees, but in exchange, you're now gonna have the Hub token directly in your wallet. So I'm gonna click contribute. I approve the transaction. And now we wait a little bit while the Ethereum network, at least the testnet, picks up the transaction. Okay, so the transaction has succeeded. It might take a little while for the new transaction to appear here in the activity section, just because it needs to be picked up by the indexers who are serving data to this decentralized app. So you might need to refresh maybe a couple of times before you see it reflected there. So it's not reflected there. But what you should be able to see right now on your MetaMask wallet is that you should be able to see that you have now more Hub tokens, right? I had 200,000 before, now I have 100,000 more. So 300,000 Hub tokens. So this is the token that you will use for voting on proposals for Hub City once the DAO is in operation. The message is not yet reflected. Now, there it is. Now you can see that we contributed another 0.1 ETH with our message of support. And if for any reason you don't see the Hub token on your wallet as in the asset section, that's because this is a new token, so you will need to tell MetaMask where to find that information. And what MetaMask needs is only the address of that token, right? So here you can click copy to clipboard, and then you can go to MetaMask. You can go to the bottom and where it says import tokens. So you click there and you just paste that contract address. So in my case, it says that I already have it tracked, but if you don't have it, it will autocomplete this the token symbol and the token decimals, and just click add custom token, and then you should be able to see it on your wallet. That's it. That's a short demo on how to use Juicebox to contribute and be part of the HubCityDAO. Until next time.